OpenGL, Open Graphics Library, is a standard specification defining a cross-language, cross-platform API for writing applications that produce 2D and 3D computer graphics. The interface consists of over 250 functions called, which can be used to draw complex three-dimensional scenes from a simple primitive. OpenGL was developed by Silicon Graphics Inc. in 1992 and is widely used in CAD, virtual reality, scientific visualization, information visualization, and flight simulation. It is also used in video games, where it competes with Direct 3D on Microsoft Windows platform. OpenGL is managed by the non-profit technology consortium, the Knorr Group. Other APIs. For development on Microsoft Windows, the various APIs of DirectX may be used for input sound effect, music, networking, and the type of videos. For console programming, the console manufacturers provide facilities for rendering graphics and the other tasks of game development. Cross-platform build system. Which APIs and libraries one chooses depends largely on the target platforms. For example, libraries for PlayStation 2 developments are not available for Microsoft Windows and vice versa. However, there are games frameworks available that allow or ease cross-platform development, so programmers can program a game in a single language and have the game run on several platforms. IDEs. IDEs are designed to maximize programmers' productivity by providing tightly components with similar user interfaces. This would mean that the programmer has much less mode switching to do than when using discrete development programs. However, because an IDE is by its very nature a complicated piece of software, this highly productivity only occurs after a lengthy learning curve. Typically, an IDE is dedicated to a specific programming languages so as to provide a feature set which most closely matches the programming paradigms of the language. However, some multiple languages IDEs are in use, such as Eclipse, XState Commodore, recent version of NetBeans, Microsoft Visual Studio, and Windev. These are the game features: performance, mobility, reliability, and concurrency. Finally, to get a better game, we have to use a better language. If we didn't use a better language for the game type, the game defect can be defect as displaying incorrect animation and sound. To overcome this problem, we have to use a better language for the game.